I can't wait to see him. I can't wait to see
September
the...
30th,
Oh, there he is. The hot boy.
It's a day I'll never forget.
Never forget.
The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky.
They just wiped the city off the face of the earth.
I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me.
Krauser.
At least I kept my mind off everything.
Look at these cutscenes. They're
If I could just
beautiful.
forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different.
Oh, look at the
It
boy.
has to.
Oh, he's so hot. He's so pretty. Look at him. Oh, I want to smooch his face. Chapter 1. See what's taking so long. Ugh. Look at the crows. Hello, crows. Those are some big crows. Crows are smart birds. I like crows. Ugh. They're stinky. That's nasty. Get me out of here. Get me away from this. Gotta get out of here. Oh. Oh, don't run into the barbed wire. Hello, Shack. Ooh, can I have that? I would like that. That would be very useful, actually. Hello? Your door's open. Anyone home? He's just like me. For real, for real. Nice jars of fluid. What is this? Ugh. I'm not a fan. Oh, what's it say? Judgment is nigh. That's what it means. Okay. That doesn't exactly bode well. Look at him in his beautiful jacket. He's so cool. Can I turn him around to see his... Look at him. Look at him. Oh, that is a grizzled boy if there has ever been one. He's been through some shit. Oh, key? Key. No key. Hello, door. Anyone in here? I heard steps in here. I know somebody's home. You can't fool me. Excuse me. Hello? Oh! Hello, gentlemen. Oh, gentleman. Hello, sir.
Sorry to barge in like this.
Hello? Sir? Are you alright?
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Well, at least he actually speaks Spanish this time. He seems to communicate with the locals and not just go, me American man looking for president's daughter. I'm here at, hello? Sorry to intrude. Oh, there he is. Come on, let me get him. Let me get him. Oh, well. There you go, Leon. Didn't even need to shoot him. You just kicked him in his... Oh, hello. That's probably the police officer.
This is not good. Man, that stinks.
What kind of doo-doo meat you got going on in this gumbo there? That's kind of nasty. Open sesame. Perfect. Hello? NYPD. I mean, RCPD. I mean, U.S. government. Uh-oh. This Smells like ass down here. Uh-oh.
Hey.
Oh, he's gone. What did they do to him?
I read you. What's your situation?
Oh, he's dead too. 2 for 2, officer down. Alright, okay. Escape from the Hunter's Lodge. Yeah, you're damn right we are.
What was that?
Someone's coming down the stairs. What? What? Oh! He's possessed. Demons! Get back!
This just keeps getting worse.
That is, a lot different and also a lot cooler. Hey, buddy. You done? What are you smiling about? Uh-oh. We've got more company. Dumb, hot U.S. himbo agent forgets to bring extra magazines on mission. Only got 5 bullets, and there's at least 2 of them. This man really walked into a creepy old hut. Oh, hey. Wait a minute, I could totally just... Hang on, can I? I can. This man really walked into a creepy hut in the middle of Europe with 1 magazine. Come on. Gotcha. You just called me an imbecile? Excuse me? Sir? I'm coming down there. Oh, I got both of them. Oh, what's going on here? A clue, perhaps. Ashley.
Bruce. This is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Hunnigan! Oh, there she is!
Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Oh, Hunnigan looks so good!
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here.
Yeah, they're going crazy.
My escorts are.
Oh, hello. Here's Johnny.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Greetings. This is my home, I swear.
I'll let myself out.
Yeah, you know what? We're going. Oh, he did the cool guy thing! He did the cool guy thing! Hey, what's going on? Yeah, you're not even worth it. Get out of here. I'm a cool guy. I jumped out a window. You can't do that. Look at this, a breakable barrel for me. And just kicks it open. Nice. Hello? Who's over there? Got him. Wow. Good job taking a bullet to the face. They're resilient, I'll give them that. Oh, hey, there you are. I'm gonna melee ya. Ooh. Kick him. I can shoot through that, right? Or not. He's just... I can't. Okay. Understandable. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, you just charged me. Well, how do you like my boot? Hello. It is I, Leon S. Kennedy. He opened door Dark Souls 1 style. it's the village sequence. Here we go. Oh, I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Oh my god. Burning him alive. I'm gonna kill all your chickens. I wonder. Oh, I can do silent takedowns. Nice. Oh, well. Well, sorry. Not my fault. Oh, not my fault, not my fault, not my fault, not my fault. Did you call me an asshole? Now is not the time, sir. This is, look, I know we're fighting, but geez, you don't have to throw out insults. That's rude. Whoa, excuse me. Oh boy. Oh! Please step back. There are too many of you. Ugh. Whoa! What they keep calling me assholes. Oh, God, please get off me, ma'am. Oh, no. Oh, that's what I think it is. That's what I was afraid of. Oh, no. He's here. Hello. Oh, wow, he's... I hate it. I hate that. Oh, wow. Hit me so hard that I did a flip. Excuse me. I need to get out of this corner. Pardon me. What is this slapstick comedy? What am I, Bruce Campbell in Evil Dead 2? Oh, no. I need to heal. I need to heal now. Please. Thank you. I'll get in here. It is my lucky day. It is. Oh yes, give me this, please.
Oh, nice.
That'll work. Okay. Hey, how's it going? That'll work. Oh, okay. He does not get slowed. He does not get slowed. Oh, there's too many. There's way too many. There's another one? Please take this. Yeah, you are most definitely shitting me right now. Okay. Oh, excuse me, pardon me, I gotta get out of here. Oh, please, leave me be. Oh, I do not want it. Excuse me, sir. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, why did you just jump out of the window? Let me up. In the clock tower. In the tower. In the tower. Whoa! Hello.
La campana. Al que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca.
Looks like we're fine now. I didn't have a minor heart attack or anything. Falling through the floor. I'm cool. We're cool.
Tenemos que servir.
They don't even care about me anymore. They're not even paying attention to me. Sadler. Oh, is he gonna do it? Come on, he's gotta say it. You make him say it. You make him say the line. You made him hotter. Now make him say the line. He's gonna do it. Come on, say it. Say it.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Bingo! Thank you for playing. No, Capcom, thank you for making this man hotter, just prettier, and I can't. I just look at him. Look at his face. I want to kiss him. I want to smooch him all over his face and on his hot mouth. But I can't. He's fake.